Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a really stunning Yamaha Mate 50. It's in absolutely immaculate condition. It's only had 3,000 kilometers done on the bike since new, and is a really beautiful example of one of these. It's the true two-stroke version as well, which is obviously a bit more desirable. People always want the two-stroke over the four-stroke variant, but condition-wise, come to the front, we have like this big nice chunky tire at the front, plenty of thread on it, mudguard at the front here, and the rack all in perfect condition. We do have this kind of odd signs of some sort of lacquer paint falling off, but very minor. Up over the top then, original indicators and headlamp assembly all there with no marks to make note of. Yamaha Mate leg shields, again really nice shade of white, which still had the gloss on it, showing how new it is. Alloys at the front here, still really good with the chrome. Front shocks are really good. Engine cover casings you'll see here are usually a good indicator of wear, and there's basically none on it. Made in Japan, which is always good to see. Left hand side, cover casings and so on are really good condition. Again, the stickers are all in the kind of more vibrant colors, it's been kept inside. Up over the top, absolutely no rust at all underneath the seat. The rear rack here has some minor signs of pitting on it, but nothing too major. And of all the parts, that's probably the easiest one to source if you want to get a new one. The bolts here are all original and from factory, really nice condition. Side stand and main stand on this one. Bridgestone rear tire as well, with plenty of thread left on it, with some slight signs of kind of, as you can see, cracking, but very minor again. Indicators, the rear, good condition, very minor signs of some rust coming through at the rear here, but in really nice condition. 1993 original rear brake light and indicators here as well. Again, left hand side is in great nick. All really nice condition here. Down to side cover casings, helmet lock, and the exhaust is in near new condition as well. Right hand side, engine cover casing, good condition as well. Up over the top then, leg shields again really good condition. Up over onto the odometer here, you can see 3,101 kilometers only on the clock, with a fuel indicator light there as well. So that's it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the ride along video. Okay, so we're on to the Yamaha Mate 50 two-stroke. I want to show you how simple this bike is to start. Turn it on, get the kickstart out, and I'm going to barely kick it and away she goes. So that's how simple it is, and simple and easy. And let's go for a little spin on her, see what she's like. First of all, feels very smooth for a two-stroke. Really nice, quite quiet as well. Jesus, plenty of traffic today. Indicators now, where are they? Oh, here. Standard indicators. And away we go. There we go, a bit of speed out of her, clearing the throat. Super fun. 3-speed, I believe. Two-stroke. And you'll see that red light again. I'm going to explain this again to anyone who hasn't had a Japanese domestic market bike, especially in these 50s, is you'll see as we get closer to 40 kilometers an hour, if I look down, as we get to 40, you'll see the light starting to come on, and then we hit 40 and the light is flashing at us, because that's the speed limit in the urban areas in Japan. Just to let you know that you're reaching the speed limit, you're at the speed limit, or you're over the speed limit, because they do have very strict laws over there with the speed limits, certainly in the urban areas. Alright, let's test out the old turning circle on her. Very nice. You wouldn't expect anything else anyway from a little 50 like this. Plenty of speed, well capable of 60 kilometers an hour anyway. I'm not going to reach that because we are just in the estate here. Oh, went into neutral there, was checking for a fourth gear. We only have 3. Stop being greedy, Michael. Here's the horn working, and we'll go through the electrics shortly enough as well. What else? Where am I going? Get the lights onto just on, or that's off, is it? You can go off on this. There's a car coming around the corner now. Just gonna wait for him. Say thank you. Oh, thanks for saying thanks back. Very, very kind of you. Now, wasn't happy he's had a little moped in his estate. Right, turning left here at the junction into first gear. And get up and around. And let's turn left here, and we'll go in and we'll check the electrics on the bike, make sure everything's working for you guys, and have a look what she's like on the road itself. And we go into neutral. Then we get the bike up onto the main stand. You have a choice between main and side, but the thing is the bike is so light, why not put it on the main stand? That's what she looked like. Really, really mint condition bike, as you saw on the visual analysis. Last bike of the day for me, so yeehaw. And we're going to get a little picture of it here now. That'll what you guys will be clicking on, either from Dundeel or on YouTube. So that's it. Up over the top, we'll go into the indicators. You saw them working anyway. Front left and the rear left working, front right and the rear right working, and we go to the horn working. Lights then will turn on, and so that's the low beam, or sorry, that's the low beam, and then that's the high beam working. So all the electrics working, everything spot on with the bike, ticking over nicely, running really well. So that's been it for the Yamaha Mate 50. If you did like the video, please do leave a like and a comment down below on what you think of these Mate 50s when they compare to the even the Honda 50s. As well as that, if you could subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. So that's been it for the Yamaha Mate 50. Thanks for watching.